students, welcome to class. Let's sing. Eat figs, not pigs. Eat dates, not dogs. Eat carrots, not cats. Eat beans, not bacon. Eat chickpeas, not chickens. Eat tofu, not turkeys. Eat bananas, not bunnies. Eat hummus, not horses. Sing this song and be vegan from now on. Yes! Are you getting your clicks? Click, 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 click. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Got to get the message in your head. Got to get the message in your heart. But you are exactly where you're supposed to start, right here on That Vegan Teacher's channel. So we're going to keep learning. So right now, I'm going to show you something cool that I saw. I found this site called theschoolofvegan.com. So we're going to read these. There are a bunch of these just little slide things, and there's good information in them, but they're also a little bit sarcastic. I love the colors. I love the sort of look, like the aerial look down, the photo down. And anyway, let's look at them together. Today I learned that the water needed to produce one hamburger is the same amount as taking 2 months worth of showers. Isn't that crazy? That's a lot of water. It's funny though, because people always say, take short showers to help save our water. But no one ever mentions the burgers. I wonder if we'll ever talk about this problem or just keep going till all the water is gone. So here you have a picture of a burger. It takes 2,500 liters of water, 2 months worth of showers. So why do you think that people never talk about the meat part of it? Like if you learn this fact in school, it should be automatic that the teachers would say, okay, from now on, we're going to make the school vegan. No more dead animals are going to come through these doors. Same as places like hospitals. But they don't do that. And the reason they don't do that is because we have a corrupt world where the meat industry, the dairy industry, and the egg industry are constantly trying to lie to you and make it seem like their products are okay. But there's nothing okay about them. They're filled with lies, they're filled with murder, they're filled with sadness. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, so here we have on this one. Okay, wait, why isn't this working? Okay, here we go. Another one. Today I learned that of all the mammals on Earth, 60% are livestock animals. 60%. Look at all these animals. Okay, you've got pigs here, you've got goats and sheep, and you've got a cow here. These are 60%. Think of all the animals on Earth. Did you know that 60%, the vast majority, are kept in cages? 36% are humans. Those are all the humans running around. So there's more animals on the planet ready to be eaten by us, cruelly kept in Holocaust-like conditions behind bars for crimes they've never committed. There are more animals on the planet like that than there are humans, because we are extremely cruel. And check this out. Only 4% are wild animals. Doesn't that just blow your mind? Like, think about what wild animals are. Here we have, looks like an elephant, a fox, reindeer, wild animals outside. Only 4%. I just can't get over that statistic. You think about like the raccoons around and the squirrels and wolves. They are only 4%. They're such a tiny amount. Humans have just taken over the planet. We are just a horrible virus on this planet. We're like a cancer. It's terrible. Anyway, I like these memes a lot, these little drawings that are done. Let's go to the next one. It's funny how people think kicking and punching an animal is really bad and cruel, but that shooting a bolt in their head and slitting their throat is totally humane. Here's an example of really cruel. Here's an example of, oh, that's fine. That's humane. How fucked up are we? Very. So my job here on this channel is just to remind you that these animals exist, that they are suffering, and that you can be vegan from now on. Super easy. When you go to the grocery store, you got your shopping cart, you just put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart, because peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart to the animals. Simple as that. When you're at the store and you're reaching for the milk, don't get the cow's milk. Instead, get the soy milk. That's it. You want to buy some kind of meat? Go to the section at the back and find the Beyond Meat or the other types of meat that are vegan. Or create your own patties by simply Googling vegan recipes. Super easy. You can do that. There's just absolutely tons and tons of vegan recipes online. All right, let's look at another slide here. If this is going to let me, I don't know what the pattern is. Why I'm on my my PowerPoint here. How come sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't? Okay, I don't know. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Be nice. Okay, I did it before. I know I can do it again. All right, bear with me, guys. Maybe if I double click hard. Nope. Okay, I'm trying to move it. Nope. Okay, what is going on? Maybe click here. Did that change? Oh, that worked. Okay, I have to just go in the margin over here. Anyways, okay, let's look at this one. Today we went to see some grass-fed cows, and I think that because they got to eat grass, they were probably really happy when a man hung them upside down and sliced open their throats. She is happy because of the grass. We are fucked up. This is the lie we tell ourselves. Let's feed the cows grass and then they'll be happy. Never mind about the part where we slit their throats or stab them in the neck. It's so well done, isn't it? This artist, it's really amazing. It really grabs you. All right, next one. Schoolofvegan.com. Okay, in-depth responses to all the common questions and excuses. Oh yeah, so this is just kind of like a little, I guess it's an introductory slide to show who these people are. I don't know who's behind this. If anybody can tell me, I don't know if it's a woman, a man, a couple of people, I don't know. Okay, a huge help section covering topics from books and documentaries. Okay, so if you go to their site, schoolofvegan.com. But we're not going there right now, we're just looking at a bunch of these ones. Okay, happy Love Lamb Week. Love Lamb Week. Let's love the baby lambs by stabbing them in the neck. I used to have a dog named Lacey who was like a little lamb. She was this little cute little white dog. It was so cute. And you know, when I was vegetarian, I would look at her and I was think, I just don't understand how anyone can eat a lamb. Like lambs and dogs, they were just so similar to me. But isn't it weird that we can say that we love animals and then we hurt them like that? Like, we're messed up. All right, let's keep looking. Oh, not this again. Okay, I gotta scroll inside. Here we go. All right. Today we wanted to have some. Hey, why is there a line? Oh, there isn't. Okay. Today we wanted to have some milk, so we made a cow pregnant, then cut her baby's throat so we could drink his milk instead. When I asked my mom why we don't just drink non-dairy milk so we don't have to kill all the babies, she just laughed at me and said, "That's a crazy idea." It says here, she'll be forced to be pregnant again so we can get more milk. He will be taken away and eventually killed because we want the milk he needs to live. How come you're not vegan yet? You need some more clicks? It takes 100 clicks? Does this start to make sense to you a little bit? You start to feel just sort of like very weird, like bizarre, that these industries have brainwashed us so much. Let's look at another one. Okay, this one. Today's questions are, why do women make milk? Why do giraffes make milk? Why do dogs make milk? Why do goats make milk? Why do cows make milk? Why do all mammals make milk? And the answer is, for their babies to drink. The mums we want to feed their babies and help them to grow. The mums want to feed their babies, yeah. These moms want to feed their babies, and these moms want to feed their babies. Moms make milk for their babies, and I think maybe taking away or killing the babies to take the milk instead is not a very kind thing to do. Good. Good that you learned that. Very cool. All right, so should we do one more? I'm kind of enjoying these. I don't know if you guys are, but I like these. Tick the box of the animal that wants to die. I wonder if any of them really want to be killed. So do you guys think that dogs want to die? Cats? Cows? Maybe none of them want to die? Yeah. All right. Let's keep going. We slaughter more than 1 billion land animals every week. If you counted in seconds, it would take 32 years to reach 1 billion. Have you ever tried to imagine how much a billion is? So just picture you start counting, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you counted to 1 billion. It would take you 32, not days, not months, years to count to 1 billion, 1 billion. That's how many animals that we slaughter every week. 1 billion animals a week slaughtered by us humans. We are the scum of the earth, but we can change. We can be vegan from now on. Yes, we can. All right. What, are you guys enjoying these? Should I keep going? Dairy calves and male chicks are waste products. Eating eggs and dairy makes these horrible things happen. Okay. Now we know. So it's easy, right? Don't eat eggs anymore. Don't have any dairy products. Just buy everything else in the store. Remember? Veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds, put those in your shopping cart because peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart to these poor animals. And look, I have some of these. Have a look at this. Why love one but eat the other? Right? It's a similar message to what they're showing us here in the slides. Yeah. There's no reason to hurt either one of them. Just Google vegan recipes. Here's another card. I really like these cards. Why love one but eat the other? We don't have to. That's the good news. We can be vegan from now on. So if today you are getting the message here from these slides, and there are so many more, I'm going to do another video another time about them. But if you're getting the message today and you really think, you know, I'm ready to be vegan, then I'm going to say to you, Happy Vegan Declaration Day. So proud of you. If this is the day that you decide that you don't want to be part of this violence anymore and you want to join us, join this amazing team of vegans here, all you have to do is declare it. I'm going to be vegan from now on. And then you just keep trying your best all the time. Every time you eat, every time you buy clothing, don't buy wool, don't buy fur, don't buy leather. You know, you'll get used to it. Anyways, I'm so proud of you guys who are here and who are vegan. I thank you so much. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Do you see down there? Do you see the subscribe button? And do you see a notification bell? Tap on the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and help me and all other wonderful people who care about the animals to get these animals out of hell. Subscribe and tap the notification bell. Help us get these animals out of hell. Thank you so much. Now coming up on the screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Have a look at them. Be curious. I have well over 1,000 videos here on this channel. Sometimes I sing silly songs, and sometimes I talk about things that I'm really angry about. Sometimes I bawl my eyes out because things make me super sad. And sometimes I'm just sort of like teaching. So have a look around. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now. Do 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 do.